The vast cosmos is home to planets that have always captured our curiosity and imagination. Today, we're going to dive into one of them, the intriguing Mars, known as the Red Planet. Let's start our journey to Mars by understanding its fundamental characteristics. This planet has always been a source of fascination, and for good reason. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is our closest neighbor. Despite being often referred to as Earth's brother, it is only about half the size of our planet. The atmosphere on Mars is very different from ours. It is thin and composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. This tenuous atmosphere is one of the reasons for the huge temperature variations on the planet. The temperature on Mars varies dramatically. During the day, especially in equatorial areas, it can approach mild temperatures like a winter day on Earth. But at night, temperatures plummet, reaching up to 70 degrees Celsius. Mars' core, while not entirely liquid like Earth's, plays a key role in its geology. However, the planet's magnetic field is weak and irregular, contributing to some of the challenges we would face there. The surface of Mars is a spectacle of its own. The immense lava plains, vast canyons, and mountainous elevations make its geography impressive. And let's not forget Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Mars was once a geologically active place. Today its volcanoes, such as Olympus Mons, the largest in the solar system, remain dormant, but they are a testament to an era when the planet teemed with volcanic activity. One of Mars' biggest challenges is its radiation. Without a strong magnetic field and thin atmosphere, Mars offers little protection from cosmic and solar radiation, a significant hurdle for future explorers or colonizers. The poles of Mars are especially intriguing. Covered by ice caps, they are composed of frozen water and carbon dioxide, and vary in size with the planet's seasons. Now that we have a basic understanding of what Mars is, let's delve into the mysteries it holds. Water, the molecule that sustains life as we know it. Mars, with its arid and dusty surface, might not seem like the ideal place to find this precious substance, but looks can be deceiving. Mars, it seems, had abundant water on its surface in the past. The marks of ancient rivers, lakes, and even oceans are visible in many regions. Currently, most of the water on Mars is frozen. Extensive underground glaciers and the already mentioned polar ice caps are the main water deposits on the Red Planet. Water is also present in Mars' atmosphere, but in minuscule amounts. Delicate clouds and hazes are a common sight on some Martian mornings. But why is water so crucial to us? In addition to being vital for life, water on Mars could be a vital source of resources for future manned missions. Every drop discovered brings us one step closer to Martian colonization. With the evidence for the presence of water established, the question remains, did Mars ever support life? We'll delve into that mystery next. The possibility of life on Mars has always fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts. Just imagine a planetary neighbor that could, at some point in its history, have harbored life forms. Some of the most intriguing discoveries on Mars are rock formations that resemble microscopic fossils from Earth. Could these be traces of ancient Martian microbes? Rovers on Mars also look for organic compounds, the basic building blocks of life. And guess what? They found. But that doesn't guarantee the presence of life, just the conditions for it to have existed. Mars is home to places where life, especially microbial life, could theoretically exist. Locations where the water is less acidic or salty, or where there are underground geothermal springs, are prime candidates. On our own planet, extremophiles, organisms that love extreme environments, thrive in unimaginable conditions. Could something similar have evolved on Mars? With all these discoveries and possibilities, research into life on Mars is more vibrant than ever. As we prepare to send humans to the Red Planet, each new mission could bring the ultimate answer. When we think of colonizing a new world, Mars appears as the ideal candidate. But what are the real possibilities and challenges? What will we face to transform the Red Planet into a second home for humanity? One of the first challenges is the thin Martian atmosphere and its low gravity, only 38% of Earth's gravity. How would that affect our body and habitat building? On Mars, we would be millions of miles from home. Developing self-sufficient systems for water, food, and oxygen is essential. Mars does not have a strong magnetic field like Earth, exposing the colonists to higher levels of radiation. Creating effective shields is a priority. The journey to Mars is no small feat. The logistics of sending humans, equipment, and eventually bringing them back are complex and require advanced technologies. In addition to technical challenges, colonizers will face psychological challenges. How to maintain a healthy mindset so far from home and build a functioning society in such an alien environment. The colonization of Mars is an audacious vision that combines our spirit of adventure with cutting-edge technology. Although challenging, it represents one of humanity's greatest aspirations for the future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Don't forget to subscribe for more space adventures.